all the good stuff you do on leg day. So for the first exercise of the day, we have sumo barbell back squats. And we're gonna do anywhere from 3 to 4 sets of 5 to 10 reps. Why only 5 to 10 reps? Because when you squat, especially barbell back squatting with a free weight, when you get tired, you start feeling it in muscle groups you don't really want to feel it in. Like, we're supposed to be working glutes here. You're not supposed to be feeling it in your low back. You feel what I'm saying? So I feel like 5 to 10 reps is a safe zone, and it would encourage you to go heavier, since you'd be like, oh, I'm only going to stop at 10 and it doesn't feel challenging enough. I'm assuming and I'm hoping that you're just gonna go heavier in weight if the if it feels too easy. You feel what I'm saying? Of course, it's not supposed to feel extremely hard, but it shouldn't feel like, if I tell you to stop at 10, it shouldn't feel like you should do another 10 reps. You should be able to do another 10 reps if I didn't stop you. You shouldn't be able to do 20 if I stopped you at 10. Max, if I stop you at 10, you should only be able to do 12, right? You get what I'm saying? If that makes sense. But yeah, sumo barbell back squats, 3 to 4 sets, 5 to 10 reps. Okay, sumo squats hit the glutes hard because the wide toes out stance. It makes you push your hips and rotate with a more vertical shin, and you load the hips more than the knees. So the glutes have to extend to stabilize. So for many, barbell squats feel like a quad focus exercise instead of a glute focus exercise. And that's because of your stance. If you stand closer together, you're going to feel more quads, right? If you stand with your feet out wide enough, right, and pushing your knees out, is going to force your hips to external rotation, right? So it's going to make it more of a hip movement and less of a knee focused movement, which will target more core.